Welcome to our first video in our summary of the PMP Project Management Book of Knowledge. To allow the information to be assimilated, we break each chapter into a number of modules with a video for each module. In this section we have 4 modules, with this video being the first one. So welcome to Module 1, where we'll provide an overview of projects and the relationships between portfolios, programs and projects, and we will also outline the key components of a project. Many organizations today have a renewed interest in project management and its benefits. Project management is now used at all levels of the organization and is now seen as a valuable profession. Organizations have realized that project success relies on the knowledge, processes, skills, tools and techniques that skilled project managers can bring to a project. The Project Management Institute, PMI, is a well-known and regarded governing body that issues internationally recognized management certifications. The PMBOK Guide provides a foundation for common vocabulary and structure for project managers to follow under the PMP certification. There are 6 different types of certification that can be obtained after completing the required coursework, field experience and passing the exam. These include Certified Associate in Project Management, CAPM, Project Management Professional, PMP, Program Management Professional, PGMP, PMI Agile Certified Practitioner, PMI ACP, PMI Risk Management Professional, PMI RMP, and PMI Scheduling Professional, PMI SP. This course will focus on the CAPM and PMP certifications. In this program, you complete the 3-day CAPM course, followed by an additional 2-day course to prepare you to sit the PMP examination. The successful completion of the PMP examination will show employers that you are an internationally recognized project manager. So what is a project? There are distinct differences between projects and normal daily operations of an organization. Characteristics of operation include tasks that are ongoing and are usually in a continuous cycle. These operations have no end date and they are crucial to the daily function of the organization. They are often repetitive and the inputs and outputs are expected and routine. Projects, on the other hand, are temporary endeavours. They have a definite beginning and end. They are often unique and involve a new undertaking for the organisation, often on unfamiliar ground. Projects can include 1 or more individuals, 1 or more departments, or even 1 or more organisations. They can create a variety of tangible or intangible products, deliverables, services, or results. A few examples include the following: creation of a brand new product for an organisation, or the extension or upgrade of an existing product. It can focus on improving a service or process for an organisation, or it can be results-based, such as the implementation of a computer system or the production of an analysis or research document. Some examples of projects from various industries include a young couple hiring a firm to design and build a new house. A college campus upgrades its technology infrastructure to provide wireless internet access. A bank decides to implement a new customer service platform. A group of musicians start a company to help children develop their musical talents. A pharmaceutical company launches a new drug. A television network develops a system to allow viewers to vote for contestants and provide feedback on programs. And finally, a government group develops a program to track child immunizations. These various examples show the diversity of projects and the importance of project management across different industries. In project management, there are key relationships between portfolios, programs and projects. As we have discussed, a project is a unique undertaking, so the approach to managing projects must be different compared to operations. Projects are temporary endeavours and have a clearly defined start and end date. A program is a group of projects that are similar in scope, activities and have similar sub-programs. The purpose of a program is to manage projects in a coordinated way that would not be possible by managing them individually. The portfolio includes all programs, projects and sub-programs that focus on meeting a strategic objective for an organisation. Programs and projects do not need to be related to be in a portfolio. The only requirement is that they are related to the overall strategic objective. So what is project management? The simple definition is the management of projects. However, project management is much more than a simple definition. A more useful definition of understanding project management is the application of knowledge, tools, skills and techniques to project activities in order to meet project requirements. As defined by the PMBOK Guide, there are 5 distinct processes that projects go through, and these include initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing. During the initiating phase, the need for the project is clearly defined. This is an important first step as the scope, budget and time frame will be based on the need and expected outcome of the project. A return on investment analysis is also conducted during this process. The organisation will determine if the expected outcomes of the project is worth the time, cost and resources required to complete the project, and the decision to go forward, defer or cancel will be made. If the project continues, the final step in the initiating phase will be to begin the development of the budget. During the planning process, the project scope is defined, the budget is set and the time frame determined, and the project team is assembled. As the planning process moves forward, the project's activities will be determined and the responsible project team members will be assigned to various tasks. During the executing process, the actual tasks and activities of the project begin to be worked on and ultimately completed. The monitoring and controlling process takes place alongside the executing process. In this process, the various tasks and activities are monitored against the original plan. Potential or actual variations in terms of scope, time and budget are identified and dealt with as appropriate. If there are variations, corrective action may be necessary to keep the project on track. During this process, risk management is conducted to ensure that unforeseen interferences do not derail the project. Changes are likely to occur in any project, so the project manager needs to assess the various situations and make necessary changes to keep the project going forward. The final process is the closing process. During the closing process, the project is completed and delivered to the customers. The customer will review the project to determine if all scope requirements have been met. Once approval is obtained from the end user or customer, the project is officially completed and all project-related documents, accounts and activities are closed out. The final task of the project team is to complete the lessons learned activity. This is the process of assessing and communicating what went well in the project and what can be done differently in the future to make sure similar projects go smoother. So that's it for Module 1. In this module we have focused on understanding what a project is and where it fits within programs and portfolios. Watch out for the next module of this set of 4 videos, which will be with you very soon.